Damn this fucking hellhole. I hate this fucking house. I hate everything about this fucking place.
You fucking junk ball motherfucker. Goddamn son of a bitch! Motherfucking goddamn air fucking goddamn hating motherfucker.
Fuck am I doing? I'm fixing my fucking truck.
Yeah.
The fucking ABS sensor fucking went and the fucking rotor needs to be fucking changed and I can't get it off. God damn it, motherfucker!
What the fuck y'all do?
I don't know.
What the fuck y'all do? God damn! God damn! God damn!
You mad?
It's not even fucking funny, Abby. This shit's running and he's up there dicking around.
What are you puking for?
Fucking fuck off! Fucking hate everything about this fucking house. You guys just sit around and fucking do nothing.